This is the ServiceTitan HVAC National Championship.
Thousands of HVAC techs attempted to qualify for this competition.
It's been humbling, to say the least. You don't realize how big of a deal it is at first. Then you learn that it's televised and thousands of people enter. It definitely makes me feel humble, but also proud.
I am proud to be the first female. It feels good to kind of represent, and I'm looking forward to when there are far more of us.
All right, apprentices, I need your green flag in 3, 2, 1, go!
Leading up to the elite trades competition, it's been nerve-wracking, but I'm a competitive person, and I think that's helped me a lot through life.
When I was like 10 years old, I did participate in a math competition, but I did not win that one. I came in third. My name is Robin Cutshaw. I live in Portland, Oregon, and I work for Columbia Northwest Heating and Cooling out of Scappoose, Oregon. I have been doing this for 2 years. In high school, I had an incredible metals instructor. She wasn't supposed to be. She was a substitute, but she stuck around for at least 3 years. She gave me special attention because I was the only woman in the class. She highly encouraged that I stick with it. So I thought about her when I applied for the position I'm in now. I even reached out to her. She was happy to hear, so.
I'm Cameron Raab. I live in Denver, Colorado. I work for Coffman and Company, and I've been doing this for about 3 years now. The thing that got me into this trade and the thing that has really been my foundation has been my dad. He worked 3 jobs my entire life, and he taught me how to use my hands, how to use tools, and pretty much the time I got to spend time with my dad or see my dad was working with him. He's been my rock, and he's the reason that I even got to this competition in the first place.
I choked a little bit making the plenum. No matter how many times I measured it or wrote it out, it wasn't clicking.
I started using the auto crimper. That's what the direction said. I kind of took the wheel away because it got away from me a little bit. You would think that the saws and some of the stuff with sharper points would be scarier, but that thing just took that pipe and made it its own, and I just gave up eventually. I said, I don't got the time to train it. The SEER group and their training program is one of the best. I couldn't have asked for better instructors and a better course to prepare me for something like this.
Going to the Institute the first time, It was a very defining moment where I realized that I have made it in life. Just learning from the best, making friends along the way.
Every time I got stuck, I just heard Jason's voice, Rob's voice in the back of my head saying, hey, take your time, you got this.
They're great instructors. Going up to the institute, it just gives you a level of confidence that hadn't previously existed. I dry fit the PVC first. It's just good practice because once you start gluing, you can't unglue. Kind of melts it so that it stays together. But the confidence that going to these classes has given me is something that I deeply appreciate. It's one of those things like, I can do it, actually.
I didn't have a lot of times in the competition that I wasn't able to get on to the next step with these. I'd say the camaraderie and just the type of people that I get to work with and be trained by has been the biggest benefit. It's not only a knowledgeable group of people, but it's a good group of people. I want to win, but whether I lose or win, I want to do it with grace, and I think the only person I'm trying to make proud is me.
Directions were good. I didn't see any PVC cutters, which I wish I did. I had to use a saw saw, which... Bite it. Yeah.
Who's got a sharper?
Man, whose idea was this giant dauber? We won as soon as we got here. I am proud of what I did, and I did my best.
All right, folks, let's count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Nice job, nice job.
Could I have done better? Probably. But, you know, it is what it is, and I think that anybody would probably struggle a bit doing that in an hour and a half, you know?
Just a huge amount, really scouring the nation for the best. So you guys should be extremely proud that you guys are standing right here. All right, next up, Scott Bowman from ServiceTitan is going to be handing out what everybody's been excited about. Let's start with third place, all right? Taking home $5,000. Join me on the stage. From Edwardsburg, Michigan, Billy Damon. Second place winner, taking home $10,000. From Brighton, Colorado, Cameron Raab.
I wish I won. Yeah, pretty much. That's the only thing that's going through. I mean, nothing wrong with silver, man, I guess. Going home with more than I came, and that's, I don't know. I'm ready for next year. I'm ready to go.
I feel relieved, and I am proud of myself. It was a lot of fun. It was definitely a learning experience, and I'm very, very, very proud of Cameron. Very happy to see him take second place. I know he wanted first, but second place is the first loser, so cut that.